Today, 3rd October, daily combo of Dropi. At first, click PP and search contact creation strategy. I will select contact creation strategy and click. Open one card. I will search second card, contact ambassador program. I will select contact ambassador program and click and open. Second card open. I will go to environment and search security audit. I will select security audit and click and open. Claim price. Now 3 card open and today success daily combo.